have the right to wave a black flag in front of my face.
Don't confuse
Excuse me.
The most anti-national people are the people who are supposed to be the voice of this institution and of this. I was in Hyderabad some days back, and those same people, not them because they don't really count, but their leaders, said that Rohit was an anti-national element. A youngster, and I met his friends and colleagues, and I must tell you, they were absolutely brilliant. A youngster expresses himself. I know it. A youngster expresses himself, and the national government says he is anti-national. What did he do? All he said was that he feels a little bit of pain. All he said was that he wants to express what is inside him. He rose up and said, this is what I think. Later, the minister turns around and says, he was not even a Dalit. Sushma Swaraj, nobody asked whether he was a Dalit or not. The question is why an Indian student was not allowed to say what he believes and fight for what he believes. Now, you see, there was a person in Germany named Adolf Hitler, you remember, destroyed millions and millions and millions. If only that man had let ideas flow, if only that man had listened to other people, maybe that country would not have gone through that much pain, and maybe so many people would not have died. With the RSS and with the BJP expressing their opinion. And we are happy to debate them over here and talk to them. And in fact, if they listen to us, they would be convinced by us. They think they're being very clever by crushing you. But they do not understand that in crushing you, they are making you stronger. And I'm here to tell you that not only this institution, not only us, not only everybody sitting here, but there are more than 1 billion people in this country who believe what you're believing and who are standing right behind you. So there's only one message for you from me. Don't let these bullies push you around. Because the heart of what they are, when they look inside themselves, what they see is fear. They are scared.
We launch the Make in India campaign to create employment and self-employment opportunities for our youth. We are working aggressively towards making India a global manufacturing hub.